Sometimes the design is definitely not the problem. Maybe it's just the lighting. It really affects the mood of an image. Let's learn how to change that. Let's head over to New Chat. Add the image that you would like to change the time of day to. This is the image that I'm going to change into a night shot. Close out the preview, copy and paste the prompt from day to night, and click send. Sometimes in a night shot, you don't want people walking around because it's at night. So you can simply go to the prompt and say, remove all of the people. Press enter. This prompt has two options. There's a day to night option and there's a night to day option. It should also work with interior photographs. You can find it linked below. This is a really powerful way to see how a design feels across different climates and seasons. Let's head over to New Chat, upload the image you want to change the season of. This is the image I'm going to change the season of. I'm going to try to spit out two images, fall and winter. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. At the top in the bracket, it's going to ask you to choose your season. For the first pass, let's do winter. When you're done, click send. Another thing that we can do is actually make it look like it's raining outside. Let's go add photos and files, select the image, open, and copy and paste the prompt for changing the weather that's linked in the description below. When you're done, click send. There's no brackets to fill out. Maybe you just want to test different facades or massings or some smaller or larger renovation ideas without totally remodeling everything. This is how you do that. Click New Chat, upload the photograph of the building that you would like to edit. This is a photograph of a simple suburban home. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below to remodel a building, and click send when you're ready. And this is the output from that prompt. Let's say you made a render and it took you a bunch of time, but the camera angle is just a little bit off. Maybe it's not the exact money shot that you were looking for. This is how to change the POV of an image to get the exact shot that we're looking for. Click New Chat, add the image that you want to change the point of view of, copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below for changing the POV. I've pasted my prompt in and now it's time to fill in the brackets. Here it's asking me to change the camera angle POV of this image to be a desired angle. I'm going to change this to be a drone shot. You simply type in here drone aerial view and press send. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.